Friends, welcome to another episode of this program which I do for you and for all of us called Doc Talk. Today I am going to discuss a very unique topic, but the topic is often not being addressed in our science, in dental science. The question is whether a mobile tooth or a tooth which is moving in the mouth has always to be extracted. In the previous days, even 15-20 years back, the idea was if teeth has become mobile or it is shaking, it has to be extracted, or you have to wait till the period it got exfoliated by itself. But hello, we have a very good news for today, that we have got a technology and a technique in dentistry that is existing called splinting, by which you can fix even a mobile tooth. The technique is simple, non-invasive and not very expensive. Of course, it's not very cheap, but it's much cheaper than what your price of a tooth is. So there is technique available today called splinting, in which we use some fiberglass strips along with some filling material like a composite resin to fix the tooth together along with a stable tooth, and thereby giving a fixity to a mobile tooth. So here friends, we are in a position that a tooth with some degree of mobility, even quite a bit of degree of mobility, can be stabilized with time. But is it the last resort always? No. Even splinting tooth at certain situation might not work. In that situation, it's always better to get them extracted and put implants to save your bone. But again, you have to go to a doctor or a periodontist or to an implantologist to know that whether a moving tooth can be splinted and saved before extraction. So why are you making late? Go to your dental surgeon and ask whether your shaking tooth can be splinted and can be kept in your mouth for years together. Believe me or not, a good splinted tooth can last for 5 to 10 years in your mouth without extraction and chances of exfoliation. So today we have discussed about splinting, which is a very nice technique. So if your teeth is shaking, go to your nearest dentist or a periodontist who can make your shaking tooth stable. So happy chewing, and seeing you in next episode of Doc Talk.